Monthly Param Nivedan for 2025 November to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो। सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। पप्रवा 9. परम जी, प्लीज एम्पावर दिस परम निवेदन with your divine power so that November becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, job, and work this month. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in righteous way and also to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and Dr. Ajit and will also spare some time for P3Y. Chartered accountants, etc. remain in my favor. I will attend Income Enhancement P3Y class on Thursday. May my development in material aspects of life becomes faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papr and the Papr I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will offer Good Luck Papra card or P3Y calendar daily to one new person after taking training. I will report to Dr. Ajit about my P3Y Prachar work on every Wednesday and on the last Wednesday of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest, quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase, profit will increase. Give me courage to spread P3Y in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. I am an honest, obedient, brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month, season of autumn. Increase my immunity power. May I don't have cold, cough, sore throat, allergy, asthma, flu, skin diseases, and other illnesses. If I become sick, may I be cured with proper water. I will attend Diseases Prevention P3Y class on last Sunday of the month. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily, 3 times routine Param Yog and 3 or more times special Param Yog. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me to remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I be granted with more power, energy and enthusiasm. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work that I do. May I do P3Y public work for the betterment of the society. I will attend P3Y International Club meeting, Paramji Vachan Discourse and Paramji Dhyan class on Friday. I will tell people there will be a healing power session during Friday's class in which you will get relief from any sickness. Give intelligence and strength to do logical prachar of P3Y in November. I will attend daily and weekly online P3Y class on P3Y THF channel as well as other branch channels. P3Y THF has more than 15 YouTube branch channels out there globally. I will offer Good Luck Papra card to people in trouble across the country and the world. Will teach Papr Param Yog, upload their names, mobile number, area, etc. in the Google form of P3Y Peace. I will become P3Y Prerak Guru. I will keep telling the three Mahasutra, the great slogans of P3Y. First, the truth. P3Y Shakti fulfills desires. There is no place in the world where P3Y doesn't work. Second, eligibility. Honesty, obedience, and bravery. Keep smiling and make others smile. Keep attending P3Y class. Keep coming to Umargam. And third, Jai Ghosh. Bina prachar, nahi uddhar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful, and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values, teach the truth, and give 16 P3Y sanskar to my children. I will make the children recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read P3Y Garbh Gita. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitridosh, Vastudosh, and other related problems. Protect me and my family from hurdles such as all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniment, financial crisis, accidents, fire, earthquake, storm, flood, other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I do not face critical situations. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with P3Y power. More P3Y power seeker, hardcore P3Y Karta will continue to do this holy pilgrimage of Umargam according to the Adesh of Paramji. With the holy pilgrimage of Umargam, Pitri Dosh is removed, ancestors will get peace. Paramji has empowered Umargam as holy pilgrimage, PDME place, Kumbh place. By doing this yatra, one gets amazing peace of mind, fulfillment of desires, and gets the benefit of P3Y Kumbh Shakti. If you do the Umargam PDME pilgrimage, after doing any other pilgrimage, that pilgrimage will be more successful. Umargam PDME Yatra Annakut P3Y class 2025 November 16, Sunday 9:30 am. After class, there will be healing power session. Invite one patient to attend this session. He will get relief from pain. I will do online RSVP on Google P3Y THF RSVP for coming to Umargam PDME P3Y Center and will inform on mobile number +91 88 499 69887. Online RSVP helpline number is +91 79 904 49894. I will lovingly celebrate all P3Y festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar. Monthly students P3Y class November 2, Masik Shivratri November 18, Amavas November 19. I offer my destiny of November at the holy feet of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. For this, I will share this monthly Param Nivedan in one or more persons. In this month, I will do good work, will serve P3Y Kartas, have respect for them, and will have pleasant behavior towards all. I will keep the P3Y center clean. I will obey the Adeshas of Paramji alias His Holiness. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble and brave than I am at present. May I have better month in November with P3Y power. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile number +91 9898 772036 and will follow the advice of Dr. Ajit. I will join Dr. Ajit's Telegram group, Dr. Ajit and your question, to ask my questions to Dr. Ajit. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give money in whichever currency you earn. Decide the amount on your own. To Paramji alias His Holiness, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer P3Y Good Luck Papra card to 1 new person. I will attend 1 online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will share my miraculous P3Y experience through WhatsApp in 1 to 2 minutes. I will order the third edition Family Peace by P3Y Shakti in Hindi of P3Y Param Gyan magazine at my home. I will take annual membership of this magazine. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.